Welcome to Mr. Mitsubishi YouTube channel that's designated for Mitsubishi product. Today we have pretty exciting times. We got a new shipment with bunch of cars. We have RVRs or Outlander Sport ASX. Some parts of the world we have some new Outlanders, we have some PHEVs, and we have some Eclipse Crosses. So this one here is a 2023 Eclipse Cross, and it's time to do the off-road edition. We haven't done on this channel the off-road edition on the Eclipse Cross, so I'm super interested how it's going to turn out. So we'll take this base ES Eclipse Cross and we're going to turn it into our signature off-road edition. Okay, so we'll do a bunch of stuff. We'll delete the chrome, we'll upgrade the wheels, add some accessories. Let's get to work now and let's see how it turns out. And here we have the end result, what came out of our off-road upgrade on the 2023 Eclipse Cross ES. Now we just took base all-wheel control ES Eclipse Cross and turned into this off-roader. I like it a lot. So let's start with the front, what we did. So we added Eclipse Cross badge on the hood here, black. Then we deleted the chrome around the dynamic shield. We swapped the wheels, we deleted the blue color on the mirror caps, we added vent visors, crossbars with the roof basket, then we put also the side molding. So, and that's how it looks. I think it turned out absolutely fantastic. There's nothing we did on the back, so it already has this, you know, plastic bumper because it's the entry level, so it's not body colored, so it looks very, very good with this off-road theme that we have going on. So let's have a closer look at some of the details we did. So the front, so this is how this Eclipse Cross looks. It's the black lettering. I like it a lot on the octane blue. Octane blue is definitely my favorite color when it comes to any Mitsubishis, to be honest. And then this one here, it's a custom wrap, so we just wrapped the dynamic shield part. Now let's move on to the wheels. So wheels, we took off the factory wheels and we added these BF Goodrich all-terrains with these RTX wheels. They look very cool. When you turn the wheel, there's no rub, no nothing, so suits the vehicle really, really well. I do like those white letterings. That looks sharp as well. The size is 215/70 R16s, so those are the sizes on the wheels. So then we wrap these mirrors, so that gives us this black looks, the off-road looks. This here, the vent visors, they're actually, this part was chrome, so we had to delete the chrome on the vent visors. And then the side moldings, we installed the side moldings with nice Eclipse Cross chrome lettering. So I like how this pops out, that it's Eclipse Cross, and actually visually goes really well together with these letterings on the sidewall of the tires. So the entire thing is very balanced. So you have the dark blue color, you have this tinted part right here, blacked out elements, and you have this Eclipse Cross that pops out, matches really well with the tires. So here we have nice roof basket on some crossbars, Mitsubishi Motors, genuine OEM part. I like that. That looks really, really good. So now the sun just came out and we can see how the paint is changing the tone a little bit, right? So if we zoom in a little bit closer, you have this sparkle in it. I like it a lot, and it looks much, much different right now, but I do like this off-road theme. I think it came out really, really well. It's fantastic how you can just turn basic looking vehicle, essentially nothing special about it, into something like this. This definitely is going to get a lot of comments on the street when you drive it. A lot of people will ask you about it, and that's how it looks. So there we go. We just did another off-road upgrade on my YouTube channel. There's a lot of other stuff like RVR upgrades and bunch Outlander. If you want to browse through videos, feel free to do it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.